Miro versus FreeForm. Well, they do have some similarities, however, they are vastly different. Today we're going to compare them and see which one is the better use case for you. So let's dive in. Alright, so let's jump straight into Miro now. Miro is a visual collaboration reimagined app. This is amazing. So Miro is a digital whiteboard platform designed for global teams. It was founded in 2011 and now it's used by millions worldwide. It's also transforming remote collaboration across various industries. Let's have a look now at their infinite canvas. Now, if you've ever used Miro and you scroll out, you zoom out, it's literally got an infinite canvas. Okay, so it provides an unlimited digital workspace for capturing ideas. It supports complex project visualizations with ease, and the drag and drop interface ensures seamless content creation. It really is awesome. It has real-time collaboration as well for global teamwork. If you are working in a remote team, it really is fantastic. It offers instant engagement. It facilitates real-time collaboration across geographic boundaries. It gives you live editing. It supports simultaneous contributions from team members at the same time, and it supports over 130 third-party app integrations. Some of the other things here is the template library. Now, the template library is also one of their vast features. If you're looking to access a pre-built template, they have over 4,000 of these, and it is constantly growing. If you have a look at the Miroverse and the community contributions, there are tons being created every single day. It supports UX design, product management, and marketing workflows. And using a template can actually reduce project setup time by 70%. It really, really does work. Having a look now at the AI features, they have content generation. So the Miro Assist generates content as well as ideas, workflows, images. You can do conversation summaries, and you can also use their smart recommendations. So it helps you to really get the best out of your presentations. It also has some integrated communication tools. You can do video conferencing, face-to-face. You can do real-time messaging, and then you can also use their screen sharing feature, which is absolutely fantastic. Having a look at one or two of their drawbacks, there is a performance challenge that we are looking at. Large boards can really slow your system performance if you don't have an amazing machine. Like me, I don't have an amazing machine, so larger boards are really laggy. One of the other things is it has a bit of a steep learning curve. If you are a new user, there's tons of features and there's tons of things to do, so it can be a little bit scary when you first using it. And then also they have limited offline access, so if you are looking to access it within areas where you have a bad internet connection, that will definitely hinder you. FreeForm is Apple's collaborative digital canvas app. It was launched in December 2022, and it offers flexible space for brainstorming and creativity. Let us get into their features in a deeper level. So they have real-time collaboration, which means you can work with up to 100 collaborators simultaneously. You can experience real-time editing and syncing across all of your devices and theirs. This seamless sharing is made easy via messengers or even email. It is an instant communication tool, and it is possible through FaceTime integration as well. Having a look at their file support over here, they support photos, videos, documents, PDFs, more than 700 shapes, and you can really do pretty much anything over here with your diagrams. You can scan documents directly into the board for convenience, and you can preview files without even leaving your canvas. One or two of their drawbacks, however, their limitations, is their export options. It is limited only to PDF on your iPad. The design capabilities, there aren't many advanced design tools, and then it does have system requirements, and then it has an ecosystem lock-in. So primarily this is beneficial within the Apple ecosystem. If you're not using Apple, this is not a possibility. So there you go. You can see that both of these platforms have amazing features. They do, of course, have one or two drawbacks we need to take into consideration. However, the takeaway here really is to go ahead and use them and see what works for you specifically. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we will see you next time.